Alright, because I can tell you guys are really getting the hang of this money stuff and are learning very quickly, we're going to do a little review activity. Using the smartboard, we will review the coins, play an interactive game together, and test how much you know by asking you to identify a group of coins by adding them up. So let's start. Alright, so here is a picture of the front and back of the different coins we learned about. Who thinks they know what this top one is right here? I will have you come up here and reveal the answer by using the eraser. Alright, it is a penny worth 1 cent. Who wants to volunteer to identify the name of this coin? I'll also have you come up and erase it to reveal. And we will go so forth through the rest of the coins. And because you guys did so good at that, we are going to play a game now to see how much you know. So this game has the written money value and then the numeric value. I want you to match them up. So let's start with 1 penny over here on the left. Put it in the yellow flower. What does 1 penny look like in numbers? It looks like this. 1 cent. That's a match. So some of them are a little bit trickier than that. Let's try 2 dimes. So we have to remember what 2 dimes is worth, what each dime is worth. A dime is 10 cents. So who knows what 2 dimes is? It is 20 cents. 3 quarters. So 3 coins that are 25 cents each. 75 cents. Here's a good one. $1. What does that look like? There we go. Another tricky one. 2 nickels. So 1 nickel is 5 cents. 2 must be 10. Last one. A $half is 50 cents. What do we have next? Alright, so on here I will take volunteers to come up and identify how many coins are in each square shape. So who wants to identify how many coins are here? Not how many, the value. So I'll have students come up and I would like you guys to count out loud and point to the coin while you're counting. So we'll go 25, 35, 45, 55, 60, 61. 61 cents. Correct. Good job. Alright, next one. 25, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68. 68 cents. Alright, and we will go so forth through the rest of these. So, today we worked on counting money. What is the name of the smallest coin in size worth 10 cents? Should we find out? It is the dime, and I have provided a nice visual of the dime.